What makes a presentation not just good, but truly memorable? The answer lies in mastering three key principles: focus, contrast, and unity. These principles will guide you from the initial outline of your presentation all the way through to its delivery. Today, we're going to break them down, show you examples to help you apply them immediately. The first principle is focus. Every great presentation starts with a clearly defined focal point, the main idea or key concept you want your audience to remember. For your overall presentation, this could be your central theme or story. On a slide, the focal point is often the biggest, brightest, or most emotional element that draws the viewer's attention. To maintain focus, ask yourself the following. What's the main idea of my presentation? What's the key message of each slide? Is every element on the slide helping convey that message? For example, imagine designing a slide about sales growth. Your focal point should be the number that represents growth. Make it big, bold, and central. That is focus. Here's a few more examples. If you're presenting on environmental conservation, for example, a striking image of a deforested area with the header, "What's at stake," for example, can be the focal point. Another example, for a health and wellness talk, use a single attention-grabbing statistic such as 1 in 4 adults experience chronic stress. Keep it central and uncluttered. The second principle, contrast. Humans are hardwired to notice differences, and this principle is all about highlighting those differences to make your message clear and compelling. Contrast is crucial because facts alone don't carry much weight. They need context. For example, instead of saying our sales this month is 100,000, add contrast. Last month's sales were 50,000. This month, we doubled that. Now your audience sees the difference and feel the change and impact. Contrast can also apply to slide design. Use contrasting colors for headings and text. Highlight the key data compared to supplementary information. Look for contrasts in your presentations such as big and small, before and after, problem and solution, growth and decline. It's a natural way to make your message memorable. Here's a couple of more examples. Comparing an outdated process to a modern streamlined one. Show then versus now visuals. Use financial graphs that show stark differences like a sharp upward trend in profits compared to the previous flat lines. Finally, let's talk about unity. To make your message stick, your presentation needs to flow as a cohesive whole. Think of your slides as chapters in a story, each one connected and leading seamlessly to the next. Unity makes your presentation feel whole, believable, and authentic. Here's a quick example to demonstrate this principle. Here are two shopping lists. List 1 and list 2. Which list is easier to remember? Take a minute to compare the two. That's right, the second one. Why? Because it's a recipe for pancakes. The first list is random, but the second has unity. Everything connects, making it easier to remember. This is the power of unity. Here's a couple of more examples. A sales pitch should have unified narratives such as problem, then solution, then results. Each slide builds on the previous one. If you're teaching a concept like teamwork, your visuals and examples should all tie back to the theme of collaboration, such as a jigsaw puzzle representing unified pieces coming together. So, there you have it. Focus, contrast, and unity. 3 powerful principles that will transform your presentations from ordinary to extraordinary. And to help you master these skills even further, check out our Presenting with Impact instant download training package. This comprehensive program gives you everything you need to deliver professional and impactful presentation skills training. Check the description below this video to learn more and start transforming your presentations today. Thank you.